Dear students, in this video we will discuss about joint. As we know that human skeletal system is made up of different kind of bones. These bones link together through joints. So we will discuss about joints, that what is joint. Joint. The junction of two bones is called a joint, or the meeting point of two bones called joint. Human skeletal system further divided into two parts, axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. The axial and appendicular skeletons contain three different kinds of joints that enable different degrees of movement. Three types of joint. Number 1, immovable joint. Number 2, slightly movable joint. And number 3, freely movable joint. So, immovable joint. Immovable joint, very tight joints that permit little or no movement of the bones. The joints are called immovable joint. The best example of immovable joint are the joints of cranial bones in our skull. Number 2, slightly movable joints. Joints that permit limited movement of the bones, the joints are called slightly movable joint. The best example of slightly movable joint are the vertebra of our vertebral column. Third, freely movable joint. The joints that permit the greatest degree of movement are called freely movable joint. The best example of freely movable joint, ball and socket joint. Such kind of joints allow the bone to move in all directions. The best example of ball and socket joint are the shoulder joint and the hip joint. The second type of freely movable joint, pivot joint or hinge joint. Such kind of joints are present in our elbows and knee region. Such kind of joints allow the bone to move in two directions, forward and backward. And of freely movable joint, flange joint. Such kind of joints are present in carpal of hands and tarsals of feet. Another kind of joint, saddle joint. Such kind of joint is present in our thumbs region.